Guys, approaching a woman in a coffee shop is not about pickup lines or fake charm. It is about confidence, calm energy, and control. You must move with purpose and ease. Women can feel a man's presence before he even speaks. When you approach with quiet strength, you stand out. That is why, in this video, I want to tell you how to speak to a girl in a coffee shop, blow her mind, and win her over with ease, like a playboy. Take the points seriously, because they are very important, and you can apply them in other environments whenever you want to talk to a girl. Gain her attention, blow her mind, and make her pick interest in you after you've left, exactly the same way playboys do it. 1. You must be confident. Confidence is your strongest weapon. Walk in like you belong there. Keep your shoulders back, your eyes steady, and your energy calm. Women notice how a man carries himself before he even speaks. Confidence is not loud or forced. It is quiet control. Believe in your value. When you are comfortable in your own skin, others feel it too. A confident man never chases attention. He naturally attracts it. 2. Do not be arrogant. There is a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Confidence earns respect. Arrogance destroys it. Speak with calm strength, not pride. Do not brag about your money, looks, or achievements. That only shows insecurity. Real power is silent. You do not need to prove anything. When you stay grounded and humble, women see you as secure and mature. Arrogance pushes people away. Confidence pulls them in. 3. Start with something natural. Forget about pickup lines. They sound fake and desperate. Start with something natural and simple. Talk about the coffee, the atmosphere, or even a small detail around you. That shows you are present and confident. Keep your words relaxed and genuine. Women feel comfortable when a man speaks naturally. The goal is not to impress her with words, but to connect through ease and realness. 4. Keep your tone low and smooth. Your voice speaks louder than your words. Keep your tone low, calm, and slow. It shows control and confidence. A strong voice makes you stand out without trying too hard. Do not rush your words or speak too loudly. The right tone draws attention without effort. Women respond to steady energy. When you speak smoothly, it tells her you are relaxed, composed, and in charge of yourself. 5. Do not try to impress her. You are not there to perform. You are there to connect. When you try too hard to impress, you lose power. Be yourself and stay relaxed. Women can feel when a man is forcing it. Real attraction comes from calm confidence, not effort. Let your energy do the talking. A man who knows his worth never chases approval. He knows he is the prize. Be that man. 6. Ask simple questions and listen more than you speak. Conversation is not about showing off what you know. It is about showing interest. Ask simple, natural questions. Listen with full attention. Women love when a man listens instead of interrupting. Keep eye contact and respond with calm confidence. When you listen more than you speak, you show emotional control and respect. That silence speaks louder than any fancy words ever could. 7. Keep your focus on her eyes, not your phone. Your attention shows your strength. When you talk to her, keep your focus on her eyes. Eye contact builds connection and trust. Avoid checking your phone or looking around. That makes you look unsure and weak. Stay fully present in the moment. Your focus tells her she is worth your time, and your calmness makes her feel safe. 8. Move on politely if she disagrees. Not every woman will be interested, and that is completely fine. Never react with anger or disappointment. Stay calm, smile, and walk away with class. A strong man knows rejection does not lower his value. It simply means she is not the right one. Keep your energy strong and move forward. The playboy mindset is built on confidence, not attachment. Real power is in self-control. In conclusion, confidence is what separates you from the rest. When you approach a woman with calm strength, you earn respect. Never beg for attention or try to impress. Just be yourself, stay composed, and walk with purpose. Whether she says yes or no, you stay powerful. That is the playboy's way. Smooth, fearless, and always in control of the game. Thanks for watching to the end. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let's build a community of high-value men who dominate every area of life. See you in our next video.